What's up? Back at it again with another video. This is why I love nature. I'm gonna go water my plants. So I just went under a fence because I don't want to open the doors. So this is like our backyard. Ugh, I just gotta water this plant, but it's like filled up to the top, so the water's just gonna go down. And then I need to go back and get that blue cup, and then water some more of these plants. The only reason we like planting a lot, I don't know. I guess it's just in our blood. You know, that door really does open. It's just I don't choose to go in it. I like to have it the hard way. I'm just kidding. I don't like having it the hard way. That's really, really sad when I do it. I just went under the trampoline. Now I'm going under the door. Let's go with some plants. Most of the time, I love being considerate because regularly, these plants will not get no food. But look at me. I'm being so nice and generous. Well, this one dried out. Yeah, so anyway, as I was saying, I'm generous. If you ever meet me, I'm probably going to be like the nicest kid that you... God, and the door's tied. Okay. I'm probably going to be like the next Jimmy Fallon because all I like to do is talk to the camera. Talking to the camera makes me feel like I'm not alone. And I'm not alone. So, I can keep on vlogging while eating my cookie. It's a really good cookie. I'm gonna go to the backyard. Look, this whole thing. Is the backyard. When I come back in, I'm more shadier. So, like, this is it. It's not that big because it's not. Let me get something to hold the phone up. There we go. Okay. Oh! Hey, buddies! There's a tree right above me. I'm afraid that the bird might poop on my head. It just flew away. Anyway, I'm gonna go live 10 minutes after I post this. If you wanna go check that out, go check it out. And thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, like, comment, share, anything. You guys are amazing.